All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold the paper into fourth. And you're going to put your question number up here. So let's say this is question number 3. I'm going to put 3 here. And then I'm going to put PQWE at the top. So this version is for my students who are not going to be writing too much. These are students who like to use visuals more. So let's read the question first. So preview, we just take a look at the picture, or not the picture, the whole question, and just quickly scan what this is about. So I see that this you have to drag and drop here. I see the word freeze everywhere, freeze, freeze, freeze. I see the word melt, solid, liquid, so I know this is states of matter. So if you're the writer, you can write this questions about state of matter. If not, you can just move on. Just turn on your engine for states of matter. Q, let's read the question and let's think about what the question is asking you. Marjorie made ice cubes in the freezer and then placed them in a beaker. When the beaker is heated by a hot plate, what changes will occur to the ice cube? So the question is, what changes will occur to the ice cube when the beaker is heated? All right, so I have my W. What do I know? Okay, so I'm going to draw my beaker, and I place my ice cube in there. I have my heater here, and you can see the heat coming out. All right, so what happens when you heat it? Well, I know that the ice cube will start to melt. And then eventually all that ice cube, the solid will turn into a liquid. And the liquid, when it gets warmer, you'll see vapors coming out. All right, so for what I know, I can just put pictures. It's the ice cube first, and then melts, and then it turns into vapor. You can also write that ice turns to water, and then vapor. All right, so this is a quick method for students who like to use visuals. Now let's take a look at the answer choices to see if it matches with what I know. Put the or no numbers in the places by the sentence to show the correct order that all the changes that occurred with the water. Liquid water will freeze and become ice. Where did it say freeze? Well, I see the ice here, so it probably occurred first. So maybe it's 1. I'm just going to put 1 with the question mark. Liquid water will become warmer. Where did it become warmer? Well, I see the word liquid, so it's somewhere around here. Solid water will melt and become liquid water. I see the word solid. Ice is solid. So which one came first? The liquid water will freeze and become ice, or solid water will melt? Well, I know it will melt after it has been frozen, so I believe this is number 2. Question mark. Liquid water will boil and become water vapor. I know water vapor is very bottom, and I remember this one was somewhere around here, so there should be 3 and 4. So now the evidence. Let's see if I am correct. Liquid water will freeze. I have the ice, so let's put freeze to become ice. Is that correct? Yes, the water has to freeze to become ice. 2, solid water will become a liquid. After ice, which is a solid, you have a liquid water. That is correct. 3, liquid water will become warmer to become a vapor, which is gas. All right, that's my PQE.